Hey guys, I'm back with Rigby and Bob here. Rigby is learning how to use his foot on a dried piece of orange. What was that? Did, did you just drop it? You drop it? Yeah, he just dropped it. Bob loves millets. I can't put them together yet. Or leave them alone yet for long periods of time. Maybe maybe I can leave them alone. Go into the bathroom real quick or something like that, but nothing longer. Because they are currently fighting for dominance. I know Bob is most likely going to win because he's older and wiser, but he's a pansy. First sign of Rigby trying to fight for dominance, he goes, psh, he shoots away. Yeah, that I do not allow him to get on this because I've had this for years. Sort of like a memento. It doesn't even work anymore. What? Watch the camera. Yeah, he's watching the camera. And I used to have Yoda right here. This is where she liked to perch. You can easily see inside of there. The little green bird I used to have. She made her nest over there. She's torn it up a little bit. And my blinds. Can I find some damage? See that right there? That's what Yoda was chewing on. You just keep on dropping those things everywhere, don't you? Can I find some of those? Oh, see what I mean? Rigby's getting a little bit too testy for Bob. I've had this box forever. Where did I put that? This little carrier I still haven't cleaned out yet. Need to. I need to start putting those in his. Oh, where did I put those? Rigby, do you know where I put those? Not those. They're like dried. I just have to find them after this video. Say hi. You gonna say hi? You shouldn't chew on those. Huh? See, Bob's grumpy. Bob's grumpy. You're a grumpy bird. Ow, that hurt. No. Grumpy bird. Play with this. Or attack it, or whatever. He doesn't play much. You attack the camera? You attack the camera? Yeah, you are. There's Rigby. He's like, whoa. No, you're not coming up on here. He's too preoccupied with eating his. He's like, yum, 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 yum. Classified eating. You know, you're not getting on me with that dirty beak. You're gonna have to take. It's gonna be so sticky tomorrow. You don't get any treats because you've been a dork butt all day, or for your whole life. He likes to be up there, which is something I got years ago. Don't ever get rid of it. I've got a lot of weird stuff in my room. Had that for years. They love millets. Need to clean this out. Need to put paper down. Need to clean Rigby's cage out. Take me. Oh, see, here we go. I'm top bird. I am. Me. Y'all two get away from each other. I'm trying to assert myself as the top bird in the other two. So Rigby knows I'm his master and Bob knows I'm like his master. I know all kinds of weird. He's like a 2-year-old. He likes to eat constantly. like, what do you want it? You can have so many of these everywhere. But these are treats. You do know that, right? You're not supposed to eat them all constantly. Yeah, he'll play with that. I need to give him a little ball because it's not working. I need to go to the toy store and get a bunch of just regular ping pong balls or something and color them. Hello. Say hello. We're gonna practice flying. No, you're just gonna poo. You're a poopy bird. Poopy bird. Poopy bird. Here, let's see if you'll... Come here. Come here. Yeah. Ah, there we go. No. Come back here. You're nervous, dude. There you go. You just don't want to do it right now. You're being a dork butt too. Hey, no, you're going back over there now. Try to kiss me with that sticky beak. And this perch they can actually eat. It's actually good for their toenails too. Probably, but I need to clip Bob's toes and his wings. Yeah, you're getting your wings. See that? Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Ow. Your claws are so sharp. See, this is what I'm talking about again. They get into it. But most likely Rigby's going to be the big one because he is Amazonian. Bob is Australian type. Bob is almost all the way across the world. These two never actually come in contact with each other in the wild. Because Bob, if you feel his feathers... Hey! Feel his feathers? He likes this. Head down. Head down. Head down. Head down. Is it because of my phone? Head down. Oh, that's what I mean. Rigby is getting over to him and saying, hey, no, you don't mess with my... What are you doing, Rigby? What are you doing? What are you looking at? Dun 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 See, this is what I have in there. It's a mixture of like I think there's a toy in there somewhere. Not so sure. But he likes to snack on those. Oh, what's going on? I've never seen him eat a peanut yet. Hey, Bob. It's okay. It's okay.